Good morning, students. We are doing chapter 6, that is quadratic formula. In quadratic formula, we have just read about how to recognize a quadratic equation and what is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Today, we will know how to just find out the solution of a quadratic equation. क्योंकि solving is important. So today we will know how to solve a quadratic equation. How can we solve? So in this, for solving the quadratic equation, there are two methods. So today we will discuss the factor method. In factor method, you will have to just factorize a linear quadratic. You will have to break the you will have to break the equation, that quadratic equation that was in the form of ax square plus bx plus c into linear form, like this. Bx plus c means something like that forms a linear equation. In factors method, you will have to break the quadratic equation in the form of linear equation. When you will just break it into linear equations form, you can find out the value of x. That will be the solution of that quadratic equation. Like if I am taking it example, if a question is given, that is your x minus 4 and x plus 3, that is the easiest form which is given in the factors method. So if someone is saying find solution means you will have to find the value of x. Okay, when it is written find solution and solve, it can be in the form of question, then you will have to find the value of x with the help of factors method. So in this, so it is already given in the form of factors method, but we will have to find the solution. So we can see the multiplication of two brackets is 0. It is the basic concept. How do we, क्योंकि normally we used to take x minus 4 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 4. So why we are taking x minus 4 is equal to 0? Because x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 3 is giving you 0. So any one of them must be 0. If I am multiplying x by 0, then also 0 will come, or it will be 0 into y, then only 0 will come from if I am taking this. So in this condition also, either this or this is 0. That's why it is, the product is coming 0. There is no other condition for which it comes 0. So first time we consider x minus 4 is equal to 0. That's why x is equal to 4. First time we have considered, let this part is 0. So we have considered this 0. That is the condition for coming the 0. Because when we will put here 4, so 4 minus 4 will give you 0. And 0 into x plus 3, whatever it will be, it will give you 0. Similarly, in the second time, we will consider x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x would be minus 3. It means if that is the value of this bracket, whatever it comes, this will become 0, this 0, and the value will give you the 0. That's how you find the solution for this type of equation.